JangPoong, an ultra-high-speed hand dryer with a stylish and modern design. JangPoong. This hand dryer dries your hands up to 4 times faster than conventional products. It is extremely hygienic and has low energy consumption, so it's very economical. First, stretch your palms and place them deep in the hand dryer. Slowly move your hands up and down for 10 seconds. The rapid gust of wind coming through the hand dryer will push away the moisture on your hand and dry it. Unlike conventional products, it allows you to dry your hands completely without the use of any paper towel, while leaving your restroom clean and neat, as well as help you protect the environment by saving on paper. JangPoong's stylish design makes it the best of its kind, as it provides an elegant touch to any location where it's installed, whether an ordinary toilet or restaurant or hotel restroom.